fear that he wants a rematch. I had a fear that I was going to mate myself, which is a valid fear because it happens all the time. Not in that way, just on the board. So then I moved my bishop, trying to make room for my king. But I walked into that pin that I watched. I was keeping an eye on it for the entire game. I know I should have pushed a4. Okay, I'm going to say we're going into the zone. I know. No, I knew staying on the dark squares was going to become problematic. But I saw the threats. I didn't think I was going to fall for it. Okay, I want to stay in the zone. No chatting. Now everyone's always talking shit. That way streaming just chatting. Someone put us in the chess category. I'm not talking to chat anymore. Not until I win. It's time for the tides to change. There's a new cowboy in town, okay? Not the same old streamer. I'm a chess streamer today. Bro, you're gonna fail in 10 seconds? Shut up. Shut up. Let me do my thing. What is this plan? Why? There's so many moves. We could take, you could take, and then I could push. But then the whole point of doing this is to win this pawn. So I think I have to push. Then if you come here, then I have to take because you're pinning me. So maybe if I do this right away, but then if you take, then what? Do I take here and then you move? And then I move my knight? Okay, it's actually interesting. And if you take here, then I take. So now I think I'm going to take this, attacking this. And then I'm going to put the knight in the center. Unless they come here. This pawn is under attack. I might have to just. We don't have the bishop pair anyways. This pawn's also under attack. But if I could get my knight here, then we open up the queen. And then we also have a strong knight. So I think my plan is to take, put the knight in the center. Take the bishop, then I have this pawn in the center. Then you take the queen, then you take the pawn. So if you come here, I actually need a counterattack. Otherwise, I'm going to lose the pawn. We're at 2 minutes. You come here, I think I have to go g6. Which is okay. Because now I can do my plan. Because now the queen will be blocked. So now I could happily defend this. I could take and push. Or I could push. Force you here. But then you put pressure here. But then I get a really nice square for my pieces. Like, then I could play queen here. Then you take defending. Or I take, you take, I play here. You take, you take. I don't want to trade queens. I don't want to do that. We just need to defend this pawn. But there's no other way. You know what? This is actually good. I push f5. If you trade queens. What rook? Maybe this one so that we can use. Oh, my pawn. Frick. I totally forgot about the pawn. That was the whole point of this. And then if we push, we get forked. And if I do this, then I can do this at least. Maybe if I could sneak a little rook in the d2 square. At least the knight is trapped right now. Unless they push h4. They take. But, like, it's going to take them some time to remove this knight. They'll probably do this. I think it's just time to activate my pieces. But then he wants to get this check. That's the whole reason he did this. So I don't think I want to trade. But if I do this, you'll do this. Then I do this, you do check. So I actually don't have a choice. Unless I take, you take. Or you just take with a knight. It's a possibility. And defend this. They want to get this guy in, so I need to defend against this. Or I could attack right away. Check, we just go back and forth. Or, if you want to go all the way in, maybe I activate my king. Because this pawn is defended. What? He sacked? Oh, he takes. Duh. But now I get some. Oh, I don't get it. I don't have it. I want to push. I don't want to trade. I want to do this, but then this is hanging. If I do this, you're going to tag this. I could push, but then you check. Ah, that was an obvious move, and now I'd have to trade. I think I have to trade, because if I come here and I lose this pawn, it's over. So you have to trade anyways. Have to fight for the draw, and we can't get cocky. This is not threatening anything. If we come here, we control this. He comes up. Then we have what? Nothing? But I'll come there anyways. This, you do this. We need to find a way, but I'll just activate my king. If we provoke this pawn push, but we need to get the king in the middle. Because he has to be careful with this king. Here he has check. So we don't want to allow that. That should be his plan. I mean, I'm in the square. But he's obviously winning. He has 2 passers. I should have just went back. Yeah, he just gets all my pawnies. Sag. My knight cannot fend all these pawns. And I just helped him defend. I brought his king closer. I should have at least went for the pawns. Wait, this is a draw. Okay, this shouldn't have been a draw. I don't understand how we got here, but we'll take it. We'll happily take it. I mean, this is a draw. We'll attack the pawn. He pushes. We attack again. All right. Well, you know, we'll take the draw. He's a high-rated player, but I would like to win. But he's still playing. Okay, dude. I guess, I mean, my king's in front, so I just need to win this pawn. Just gotta not allow this. So now any time he'll do this, I'll do this. And I just go back and forth. Okay. He offered a draw. Okay, one more.